I have both tools, R and RStudio in my PC, so I am typing here. Yes, I have both. So if you have both, please type I have both. Some participant are joining now. Please all participant confirm me. Have you installed R and RStudio successfully? Okay, thank you. Now first we need to confirm, are these working properly or not working? So for this, you need to open R 4.4.2. When you check your desktop, please all participant come on desktop. On desktop, there is a icon name R 4.4.2. Click on this button. Click on this button. When you click on this button, it will show you a R page. You need R 4.4.2, not 4.1, because the latest version of R is the 4.4.2. So we need 4.4.2 for proper working. If you have older version, some packages or some functions of older versions not work, because when any tool or any package or any software update, its accessories or its dependencies or its libraries also updated. But if you have older version, updated libraries does not work. So please you need to install latest version of R and RStudio. Now here you need to confirm. I have the latest version R 4.4.2. So I am typing here 4.4.2. Yes, Ms. Tahmina, you need to install 4.4.2 after downloading, install 4.4.2. And then you need to update from R. So please install latest version and then let me know. I will assist you how to update latest version from 4.4.1 to 4.4.2. So first download and install and then let me know. I will assist you. So please all participants confirm me. Here you have R 4.4.2. Please type all participant if you have 4.4.2, type 4.4.2. If you have older version, you need to type your older version. Only one participant, yes, have 4.4.1, but other have 4.4.2. Good. Okay, now click on this button and close this file. After close, you need to come on search bar of your window. Here is the search bar at the bottom or taskbar. Click on search bar and type here RStudio and search here RStudio. When you search RStudio, it will show you a screen like this. I have 4 screens in my PC or laptop. Please confirm me how many screens you have. I have 4 screens. So I am typing here 4. If you have 3, type 3. If you have 4, type 4. Okay. Now you need to again confirm. If you want to, if you need four screen, you need to click here, minimize and maximize button. So here is the maximize button. Click on this button. It will show you three screens like this. Again, click on this button. Here is the maximize button. Click on this button. It will show you again four screens. Again, click. It will show you three screens. Again, click on this button. It will show you four screens. You need to install latest version, which is released in, I think, December. Okay, now we have four screens. Now again, we need to confirm from our studio from this screen. If you check in console, here is R 4.4.2. Please all participants confirm. Here you have 4.4.2. So type here 4.4.2. You also need to confirm again on RStudio. Now I am waiting for your reply. Please all participants confirm. Have you latest version of R also in RStudio? Okay, thank you. Now we have four screens in R. So before moving to next step, I want to explain few things about training. First thing, it is a live training. You need to perform each and every step live. You need to perform each and every step live. Second, try to attend class on two devices. You can use mobile phone or your laptop. But laptop is compulsory because when you face any error, you can share your screen. If you are using your mobile phone and not connected via laptop, then if you get an error or facing an issue, uh, I am unable to resolve your issue until you share your screen. So it is compulsory. Try to join through laptop. Mobile phone is optional. Okay. Now our today task is, our today class topics are, what is the difference between R and RStudio? What is the difference between R and RStudio? And second question, basic introduction of RStudio. So first question is, what is the difference between R and RStudio? For this purpose, I want to open a mic of Mudassir Munir Shah. Mudassir Munir Shah, please open your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Sir, I have a few questions from you. You need
Yes,
to
please.
give answer. Okay. So our first question is, what is the difference between R and RStudio? we have installed two tools, and there may be a question in your mind. Which tool we will use for uh, uh, statistical analysis or visualization? So it is a confusion. So, for example, you have
I think
two cars.
we will use RStudio
Yes,
for visualization.
yes. For example, you have two cars. Car A looking like this. Have only necessary items like a handle, engine, tire, and a single seat. On the other hand, there is another car. It also have all necessary things: tire, handles, body, seats. So its name is car A and its name is car B. Now you have two cars, car A and car B. Now here is your home. For example, here is location home, and you want to travel from home to office daily. Here is your office, and distance is about 45 kilometers. You have both car A and car B. So my question is from Mudassir Munir Shah, which car you want to drive from your home to your office, car A or car B? Yes, Mudassir Shah. Please let me know which car you want to choose for driving, car A or car B. You are allowed, sir. Mudassir Munir, you are allowed for audio. Your voice
Yes,
is
sir. I think I will use car B.
okay, good. And please, other participant, your answer is car A or car B. You can reply me with Zoom chat. Please, all participants respond. My answer is car B. Okay. No, Mudassir, please let me know why you choose car B.
Sir, because
It's looking complete, comfortable.
Yes, comfortable, and I think it looks more presentable than
Yes,
car A.
suitable according to your personality or and you can drive it easily. Okay. No, why you not choose car A? It is very important question. Why you not choose car? When you choose car A, you may face lot of hurdles, but our main task is driving from home to office. Our task is not to fight with sunlight. Our task is not to fight with rain. Our task not fight with dust. Our task is not fight with cool wind, hot wind. So if you drive car A, you may face lot of hurdles. instead of your task. Your task is driving from home to office about 25 kilometers. But when you drive car A, you may face all these things: sunlight, heat, cold, air, dust, and other hurdles. But when you drive car B, you can avoid all these things. Your journey will be safe. I'm right? Yes, Mudassir Munir Shah?
Yes, sir. You are
Okay.
right.
No, if I say there is no engine in car B, it is just a frame. There is no engine in this car. Then you have a single option, car A. But when you drive car A, you can face a lot of hurdles with your journey. And car B don't have engine. It is a just frame. So
Then we will combine A and B.
yes, good. So car A is the R programming. Car A is the R programming. Car B is the RStudio. So RStudio is a single frame. Without engine, RStudio is nothing. RStudio is a single frame. We will run engine of car A in frame of car B. If we pick the engine of car A and fit it into car B, no, we will use both cars at a time. We are using engine of car A and body of car B. Engine will provide us driving while body provide us protection. So R is the engine, RStudio is the frame. No, why we are using RStudio? Its answer is clear. If you use R without frame, R is an engine. If you use directly R in your laptop or PC, you may face a lot of hurdles. You may face a lot of errors, even at simple steps. But when you fit engine of R programming into frame of RStudio, the efficiency of your work is increased. You will start your journey safe, and you can avoid lot of hurdles, lot of errors. So R is the engine, RStudio is the frame. Now we have combined R and RStudio in RStudio. If you check on my screen is showing RStudio dashboard, but at console you can check R is also incorporated in this body. So this is the engine 4.4.2 and all other things are its body. Hope now you have a clear-cut idea about what is the R and what is the RStudio and what is the difference between R and RStudio. R is the engine, RStudio is the frame. You can pick the engine of R into the frame of RStudio. Clear? Please, if clear, type clear in Zoom chat so that I can move to next step. Please confirm me if it's clear. Type clear. Okay, thank you. Now, next question is, introduction of RStudio. In RStudio, there are 4 screens are visible. In my laptop or PC, maybe same in your case. You are also have 4 screens or 4 windows or 4 box in RStudio dashboard. So here is screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, and screen number 4. We have 4 screens in RStudio. Screen number 1, this is screen number 1, and this is screen number 2, and this one is screen number 3, and last one is screen number 4. And these screens also have specific names. For example, I am typing here a hashtag. What is mean by hashtag? In our previous class, we have learned R is a programming language. R is a language. And each and every language have vocabulary, have its grammar. So R also have vocabulary as well as grammar. So hashtag is the word of R programming language. It's mean heading. Hashtag it's mean heading. Comments. You can say notes. When you want to write notes in screen number 1, you need to write a line with hashtag. You can check. I have typed 3 lines on line number 1, line number 3, and line number 14. And all these lines have hashtag at start. So it's mean these are comments or notes. These are not a code. These are not scripts. These are simple notes, comments, or headings. So hashtag mean heading. When you found any hashtag with any line, it's mean it is a heading. But when you write a code without hashtag, for example, I'm typing here 5 plus 5. It is not a heading, comments, or notes. It is a script. You can check its color is blue, its color is green or black. So when you give hashtag with 5 plus 5, you can check its color will be changed. No, you can check when I give hashtag, its color change from blue to green. No, it is not a script. When you remove hashtag, it became script. It became code. Okay, don't worry, but we will work on it in more depth in our coming classes. Okay, now we have 4 screens. So I'm giving heading screen number 1, screen number 1. Second, screen number 2. Screen number 3 and screen number 4. We have 4 screen 1, 2, 3, 4. No, all these 4 screens have specific name. For example, the name of screen number 1 is script file. Script file. The name of screen number 2 is console. Name of screen number 3 is global environment. Global environment. And name of screen number 4 is packages or plot. Packages or plots. No, all these 4 screens have specific role, have specific task, have specific working. For example, we can use screen number 1 for script writing. Script writing. When we write a script, there is a question from Muhammad Shajauddin Islam. Sir, that if we use just RStudio, then why we installed R4.4.2? Yes, it's very important question, but I already have give answer of this question. R is the engine. R4.4.2 is the engine, and RStudio is a just frame. If you focus on my screen number 2, here you can check R4.4.2 is incorporated. You can also check on your screen. If you delete or uninstall R4.4.2 from your PC or laptop, then RStudio will be a frame, just like your car frame. You just your like car body without engine. So you need R4.4.2 as an engine. So R is the engine, RStudio is the frame. You need both engine as well as frame. If you have engine, you can drive. But if you don't have engine, have very beautiful frame, you can drive without its engine. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, now screen number 1. Screen number 1 you can use for script writing. Can be used for script writing. When we write a script and run, it will give us answer in screen number 3. When we run the script, screen number 1 can be used for script writing. After script writing, when we run script, it will show us 3 answers. One answer will be given in screen number 2, maybe answer will be given in screen number 3, or maybe answer will be given in screen number 4. When we run any code, any script in screen number 1, it may give us answer in screen number 2. It may give us answer in screen number 3, or may in screen number 4. If the answer of your script is in the form of file, it will appear in screen number 3. Answer is in the form of file. It will appear in screen number 3. If the answer is in the form of, in 3, if your answer is in the form of file, it will appear in screen number 3. If answer is in the form of paragraph or sentence, it will appear in screen number 2. And if the answer of your script is in the form of plot, it will appear in screen number. So when you run script in screen number 1, it will give you 3 possible answers. Maybe your answer will appear in screen number 1, or maybe appeared in screen number 2, or maybe appeared in screen number 3. Now I want to show practically. Okay, when we get answer in the form of paragraph, it will appear in paragraph, it will appear in screen number 2, or in the case of sentence, it will appear in screen number 2. are in the form of sentence, paragraph, or line, it will appear in screen number 2. If the answer of your script is in the form of file, it will appear in screen number 3. And if its answer is in the form of plot, it will appear in screen number 4. So if you have sentence, paragraph, it will appear in screen number 2. Here is screen number 2. If its answer is in the form of file, when you run a code or script in screen number 1, it will give you file. It will appear in screen number 3. And when you run any script and it shows you the answer in the form of plot, it will appear in screen number 4. Okay, now I am going to perform it practically. So please first watch, and then I will allow you run same lines or same commands. Okay, now I want to perform. So I am writing here a script and data. You can also write data. When you type data, it will give you suggestion. When you type data, it will give you suggestion. So first option is data. Select this one and type here iris. When you type IRI and select first one iris, click here in this line. You can click anywhere in this line. Click anywhere in this line, and here is the run button. Press run button. No, it will show you the result in screen number 3. You can check. Result appeared in screen number 3. It's mean the result of this line is in the form of a file. So it appeared in screen number 3. No, if I write here str iris, select this one and run this line, it will appear in screen number 2 because it is in the form of table. It is in the form of paragraph or sentence. So it appeared in screen number 2. Now the result in the form of paragraph, it appeared in screen number 2. Now, if you run a script and its result in the form of plot, it appeared in screen number 4. Plot, type iris and run this line. It will show you plot in screen number 4. So the result of your script in the form of plot will appear in screen number 4. Now you can perform and let me know you have done. Please all participants confirm the working of these 4 screens. You can write a script in screen number 1, and the answer of the screen number 1 will appear in screen number 2, 3, and 4. If the answer is in the form of paragraph, table, or line or sentence, will appear in screen number 2. If the answer is in the form of file, it will appear in screen number 3. And if the answer is in the form of plot or image, it will appear in screen number 4. Please confirm I have done. So if you have done this step, type done. And if you are facing an issue or have a question, you can ask. If you have done, please write these commands and perform. If you are facing an issue or need assistance, you can let me know. Please all participants respond. If you need any assistance, please let me know. If you have done and have no question, type clear or done. Okay, thank you. Now in our next class, which will be on tomorrow, we will work on about packages. What are packages? What are packages? How to install and activate packages in R. And third question, how to import Excel file in R. Yes, Miss Tamina, there is no inverted comma in bracket with the str or plot because when you want to import your file or you need to specify it with inverted comma. And if you want to use its functions or you want to perform analysis function, you don't need to write inverted comma. We will learn its grammar in detail in our coming classes. Don't worry. Where we use inverted comma, where we use comma, where we use bracket, or where we use equal sign, plus sign, we learn all things. Okay, thank you. So these are 3 topics in our tomorrow class. Okay, Allah Hafiz.